Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Lloyds Bank. It is the largest retail bank in Britain and has an extensive network of branches and ATMs in England and Wales. In order to log into Lloyds Bank, go to your web browser and type in www.lloydsbank.com and hit the enter on your keyboard. From the official website of Lloyds, you can see a box where you can log into your account. In order to log into your personal account, click on Personal, and in order to log into your business account, click on the Business option. For logging into business, enter your user ID and your password. If you want the site to remember your user ID, then check this box. If you are using a public or a shared computer or any kind of a device, make sure to turn this off. After you're done, click on the Continue button in order to log in. Similarly, if you want to log into personal account, click on Personal and enter your personal user ID. After that, move on to the next field and type in your password correct. If you want the system to remember your user ID, then check this box. If not, just leave it as it is. Make sure it is unchecked, since you are using a public or shared computer, so that no one can get access to your account later on. After that, click on Continue. But in case you've forgotten your logon details, that is your user ID and your password, click on Forgotten your logon details and follow the instructions to get back to your account. After clicking on the Continue button, you will be logged into Lloyds Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.